am I doing? I'm chewing gum. I'm also one of these things. Deer skin. It runs like a deer. So anyway, pick these up for $10. Is it $10? I don't know. I like buying deer skin gloves because what doesn't like deer? They taste good. And yeah, they're Wells Lamont extra large, ultra soft deer skin. Honestly, these are not ultra soft. I have whole deer hides and these are not ultra. So features: deer skin gloves gives you an ultra comfortable fit and feel. Elasticized wrist helps keep out dirt and debris. Not for heavy duty abrasive work. I just do whatever I want with them. There's an elastic, not elastic, staple in here. You ruined my deer hide with staples. So anyway, pick these up every time I get a chance. I even have a deer hide mitts. They're like little mittens. I think they're great. They're Wells Lamont. Not bad. My fingers are a little too short, so maybe I might have to shorten the fingertips. I do that once in a while. I'll cut a little bit off and I'll turn the gloves inside out and maybe cut off a centimeter and I'll resew the tips. Like this one, look, see? The pinky, mine ends right there. There's about, I even had a glove in here somewhere, I don't know where it is. I redid the finger on it. I know how to sew leather. Don't ask me why. I spent one summer making leather things and when I get the urge. It was pretty good. Also, I made if you look at one of my videos, I did a previous video. I fixed my cousin's garage chair and I made him a nice leather seat cover. He wanted me to weld it and I was like, you know what? I'm not sending this thing back looking ugly. So I decided to weld it nice for him. So Wells Lamont. Is that what it is? Wells Lamont. Your gloves are pretty nice. So anybody wants some Wells Lamont gloves? I bought them at Runnings. They're not too expensive. They're really good. I like deer hide. I like leather gloves. Honestly, my these are just cow, but they're still good. These are cowhide. I bought one of those I made the mistake buying one of those Milwaukee work gloves. They're nice gloves. They fit good. They're not as like clumsy like this, but 1 week and the fingers came like loose. I've had like, I don't know, 3-4 years. I mean, you can tell I don't like use them every day. I mean, I don't do tons of work, but I was moving like boards for a week. Wasn't doing rough work with it. And these I've done some pretty cruel stuff to those. Like I've destroyed several pairs. And also what I do is I buy a lot of gloves in advance because I know when you see a good pair of gloves, like, I need to buy more. I already know I'm going to go through gloves no matter what. It's one of those consumables that you just know you're going to like burn through them. And I remember, I think I still have some in the cabinet there. They were $10 a pair at the time. This was years ago. Now they're like $20. And I think they were these ones and they fit perfect. And I bought a dozen of them. I think I have maybe 4 left. So every time I find cheap gloves, I just keep buying them. I put them on the shelf and I use what I got. And when I need more, at least I have some. Which means one day I'm going to drop dead and there's going to be a pile of gloves I never finish using and a pile of everything. And I'm like, why do you have so many gloves? Because stuff never goes down in price. These things, they're not going to get any cheaper. They're not going to be like $4. I mean, maybe if the economy tanks out and shit goes down, but stuff doesn't get any cheaper. Certain things you can find cheap, but it doesn't get... We're never going to go back to 1956 prices, and if I can buy them cheap and get them in decent quality, they're good gloves. I like them. Use them for shoveling outdoors, use them for working on my car. So I'll just keep going back and buy like a couple of pairs, like 1 pair a month. So if I remember, if I don't go buy Runnings, I won't go pick them up. But if I'm somewhere and I see them, gloves. So yeah. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. Tell me how you like the videos. Don't forget to click the notification bell. Watch some more of my videos. I need some watch time. So if you want to help me out, help out a young dude. become monetized. I'm this close to be monetized. This close. So watch the whole videos. Thank you. Appreciate it. You'll see more cool stuff, and I like going like this. Yeah. Thanks for watching.